佢係個 YouTuber， 佢又係我個 father， 成日掛住賣靚衫，名牌遍佈業務間，老媽只問為誰老闆都咁英仔，係咪又再玩尋事賣袋米？佢又抽筋，老大話喂，衰婆咪懶阻住晒，今日 Gucci 有大平賣，今晚唔好咁早瞓，返嚟請你食炒米粉，係咁先啦喂，拜拜你挑尾。記得細個嘅時候，老豆話帶我去遊樂場，點知去咗順達嗰個廣場，靜雞雞去買四仔，仲係唔要打格仔。買嘅時候佢同我分話，創老師佢簡直係神話。佢問我話你竟然未睇過，唔論係化，真真假假，只要相信他。仲話下仔啊，第陣時我上天堂，老師交俾你，記得好好去珍藏。要生兒育女就靠創老師煲湯，我等住你帶我啲子孫去祠堂。今日父親節，老土都講一句 Daddy I like you， 不管是對不對，你我注定係父子一對，我哋仲是撇不去。No matter where you go, no matter who you chose, you're my dad and I'm not upset, there's nowhere to go. I've learned everything the hard way, there's no reason for you to stay. In the end I just wanna say, hope you have a happy Father's Day. Oh, da, 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 da. Oh, da,